Today is, I believe, Tuesday. We are about to leave soon to go to Florida. We have a spontaneous trip, so we're gonna go try to go to Universal's and see how it goes. Bye. We just got some food. We got panda, and I got a Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
Bed. Finally.
Yes, please.
Well, how you feeling?
Well, the gate's real. This is it. It's so nice. Wow! We're here at Lowe's. We got late. He said we got the ADA room.
Handicap shower.
Ironing board, closet, the bathroom. Okay, bathroom's not bad. So we put our stuff in our room and we're gonna go eat.
We're eating at Jake's house.
We're eating at Jake's house.
Jake's American Bar.
Delicious. I'm ready to eat. Tastes like a burger.
This tastes like a burger.
This one tastes like a flatbread.
Good?
I was gonna say this is a bazooka, but what are they called? Gazebo.
Gazebo?
It's a gazebo, not a bazooka.
This is the bazooka.
We are going on an adventure, aka we're going for the gym right now. Huh? We've made it to the gym, but is it open?
No.
Well, we made it to our room. I am so exhausted.
Ugh. What the?
Let's get it. How exciting! It's not even We're gonna stop by First Aid first.
Because somebody started bleeding. Somebody got too excited and tripped.
I was running through the line and he tripped.
I saw SpongeBob.
SpongeBob!
This is it. We have to go in here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is Diagon Alley.
Is that? It's the famous Lockhart.
Oh my gosh, this is so accurate.
Yeah. Jesus.
I think that's real fire. This is so cool.
It's Gringotts Bank.
Yeah, that's the bank.
This is Escape from Gringotts.
Alright, let's try it. Alright, we're gonna ride the dragon, I guess.
No carry-on bags. We have to put up our bags.
We're gonna go ride it. I have to put the camera up, but we'll give the update.
I'm supposed to take you down to see the vaults. Accio keys.
We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your car.
Stay in your road. Muggles might describe the journey to the vault as a high-speed ride with sudden and dramatic.
That was actually really good. Very immersive. They sprayed water at us. And we got cursed at by Bellatrix.
Oh yeah.
So, worth giving a try. Going in the Leaky Cauldron.
Breakfast right now.
The problem with the menu is it doesn't list all of our beverages and our
What is this?
This is the cold butter beer.
Cold butter beer. And what is this?
This is the Otter Fizzy Orange drink.
And this is...
This is the deluxe Wizarding Slytherin tap water.
AKA Muggle water. I'm about to try the Muggle water. You want to try this?
Yeah.
I really like how bubbly it is.
Yeah, how did they make it so bubbly? It's crazy. So you want a straw?
I'm gonna do a sipper
Okay,
and then a
go.
straw maybe. But I feel like this one requires a
sipper.
sipper.
How is that? It's good. Is it better than the one we had? Did we buy it somewhere?
I do think it's better than the one we had in New York. I feel like the New York just straight up cream soda.
Yeah.
But this one I like the foam on top. That's our food.
That's crazy.
Thank you. You too. Got our food.
This is good.
It's good, right?
Yeah, the one in New York. But this one.
No, sip that.
Otter Fizzy Orange juice.
That's cinnamon.
Yeah. Not bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like, it's not bad.
it's not good. You got the American breakfast and you got the English breakfast.
Yeah, I got the English.
Finished. The food was alright. I'm just kidding.
It was alright.
It's like I ate everything.
I realize I'm not English.
What was it?
Black pudding,
Black pudding. It didn't taste like pudding,
but it is black.
but it is, yeah, but it is black.
Yeah. Go for a test ride.
It's an ancient artifact.
Voldemort wore it himself.
Not right.
Yeah, it does not. Yeah. What is this?
It's the love potion. Liquid luck.
I'm saying to try.
Or do you want to get like this? Have you tried these?
Is that like the beans that potentially are vomit and
Where
stuff?
are we? Aguamenti. Now, is this the real thing? It is chilly. Yeah.
Let me get that one.
Alright, let me see full body. It's big. Kind of look like a Slytherin.
Ooh, fits ya. Huh. This mirror is dirty. They feel pretty good.
What's going on, everyone? Hello, hello. Good to see you, good to see you.
Huh? We're gonna go furiously and fast.
Okay, this time we can have our stuff. So what if I have the camera out like
Maybe, yeah, hold on tight. It feels like Panic Core.
The party.
Bye, Mia. See you, Mia. All right, Pat. Let's hit it.
How many? Two.
Panic horror.
Keep you safe, we need your help. Please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras.
We're going on the Jimmy Fallon ride. Also, we just got off the mummy one and I shut myself. Hello. Banana popcorn, and then we got some water.
These popcorn are surprisingly good. Like, when I took my first bite, I was like, kinda got scammed.
You think so?
Yeah, when I took my first bite, I was like, kinda got scammed.
Yeah, we're waiting for SpongeBob to come out.
SpongeBob.
We did 4 rides. No, we got Escape, Gringotts, Mummy.
No.
We expected the Fast and Furious to be really fast. Yeah, the least intense. But there was a lot going on too.
Another worker opened the gate. So the worker that was pushing down the locks was like,
Didn't walk to find SpongeBob. Why does this look kind of crazy? This like, looks like something I would see on like... Do you love SpongeBob?
oh my god.
Hello.
Got the SpongeBob chair. SpongeBob! It's Gary. Gary, come on! Nice socks.
Having like an out-of-body experience.
So why don't you show these people how they can get you back to the green planet?
They spell your name right.
We're going on the Transformers run.
Relinquish my grenade.